are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good today.
Excellent. Tell me, what is your name and where are you from?
I am Ahmed. I am from Iraq.
Nice to meet you, Ahmed. And
Nice to
tell
meet you
me,
too.
what are you doing today?
I'm practice on my language with you right now, and after 1 hour, I go to the work, and I have to work around 3 hours, and after that, I go back to my home, and at 5 p.m. I start my work till the 9 p.m.
Wow, what kind of work do you do?
I have a computer shop. I own my uh, my uh, my shop. So I put plans for work. I work 7 hours in the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds very nice. Your hours are nicely spread out.
Yeah, so I don't have to follow my manager or something like that. I put my rules according my time.
Okay, excellent. And tell me, so why are you practicing English?
The English language is the popular language in the whole world. So whenever wherever you go, you find at least one talk in English, speak in English.
Mhm.
So uh, I decided to practice the English, and I wanna reach high level of English, and develop my skills in vocabulary, especially in grammar, uh, to to talk in correct way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And so who do you want to speak to? Do you enjoy traveling often, or do you have English customers?
No, I don't have an English customers, but when you travel, the English language helped me many times uh, in the airport, and sometimes at the restaurant. Uh, there's many people talk in English, even not European. Their mother tongue is not English, but they speak in English, so it helped me to communicate with other people.
Okay, lovely. So do
Yeah.
you travel quite a lot?
No, not a lot. Maybe uh, one travel in the year.
Once a year.
Yes, once a year.
Okay, and where do you like traveling to?
In the nearest country for us is Turkey. So I used to go to Turkey, especially in Istanbul.
Mhm.
Yeah, I enjoying. And here in Iraq, the visa is difficult to get
To get.
yes, and the visa is to Istanbul is very easy to get. It's around $20.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. And what do you like about traveling?
Um, when you travel, you're discovering their culture, their language, if the language is different from you, and you you see a different museum, and take a photo and memorize in your phone, and after you show up on the screen after coming back from travel. And also the food is very important, maybe. The food, you taste a new stuff of food, and maybe when you like it, the food, you want to you want to learn how to cook this food, and cook in your house. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Fantastic. And have you traveled to any other countries besides Turkey?
Yes, I traveled to the Syria.
Oh, wonderful. And how was it in Syria?
This one wonderful country, because they speak the same language, so I don't have to speak in another language. Yes, but the accent is a little bit different, but it's okay. It's fine when you communicate with the Syrian people.
Because it's the same words, just maybe a different pronunciation or different accent.
Different accent, but different. Yes.
Okay. And yeah, what is there to see and do in Syria?
Repeat again, please.
Oh, sorry. What is there to see and do in Syria?
What is there to see and do in Syria? What is there? What's that mean, Ito?
Oh, no. Sorry, that's why I fixed it. It was supposed to be there too.
There to see, to do in
I just
Syria.
typed it off. Yeah. Sorry.
Yes. No. What is there to see and do in Syria? Um, the same stuff in Turkey and Istanbul. Discovering the museum, and taste a good food. Um, and when you travel every day, is go and hiking, because
Ah,
because all the time is belong to you. You don't have to work.
that's true.
Yeah, from the
Oh,
morning and early morning to till the end of the day.
sounds very, very nice. And tell me, what are some of your hobbies and interests?
And my main hobbies, watching American movies and American TV show series.
Okay, what kind of American TV shows do you like and series?
Uh, like TV show like Peaky Blinders, Game of Thrones, Walking Dead, um, etc. There is many TV series I have watched.
Okay, and tell me, do you watch them with subtitles?
Um, in Arabic titles before, but when I decided to learn English, I put the English subtitle. So
Okay, that's good.
yeah,
And do you understand it?
sometimes I stop the movie and read it slowly to understand, because sometimes there is a vocabulary I don't know what is mean. so I have to translate it in Google and go back and read it again, so I understand what the actor is saying, what he
Okay.
say.
Yes. Okay. And so tell me, how often do you need to go and translate it in Google? Do you think you do it often, or do you think you understand about 90% without translating?
No, I try not translate the whole sentence. No, just
No, just the word.
just the word. Sometimes there's a vocabulary I don't hear before.
Haven't heard
You
before.
haven't read before, so I translate in Google, so I understand the the whole sentence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you watch it on Netflix?
No, we don't have a Netflix channel in Iraq.
You can't access it on the internet, Netflix?
No, we have a site called Cinemana. Cinemana, they show the TV series and movies like Netflix, and
Okay.
it's free with
Oh,
with
that's fantastic.
it's come with the package of the internet.
Oh, okay.
So it's a free offer from the company of internet.
The internet company.
Yes.
Okay, great. And what do you like to do on the weekends?
I like the weekend, but I like the day before weekend. I'm excited to the weekend
Why?
because the day after the day before weekend, I I go and hang out with my friends and sometimes with my family, and the next day I don't have to work. I sleep 3 or 4 hours bonus. Yeah,
Okay. A few hours longer, yeah?
longer. Yes, and after that have a good food for lunch, and sometimes I make a barbecue for my family.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So you said you like to the night before hang out with your friends and family. What do you guys do when you hang out together?
We go to the restaurant or go hiking in the zoo park. Yeah.
In the zoo park?
Yes.
What's the zoo park?
Uh, um, zoo. We go
Oh, okay. So you mean like you're going to walk around the
the zoo.
zoo?
Yes. There's
Oh,
many green
okay.
field, and we have a fresh air, and
Oh, okay. So a zoo is a place where there are animals in cages for you to look at. That's a zoo.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So you guys go and walk around the zoo because it's big and green and there's lots of animals.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Which part of Iraq are you in? Do you live
I
in?
live in Baghdad, in the center of Iraq, and the capital.
Okay.
Yes.
And have the protests stopped now, or what is going on with the protests?
No, still the demonstration is still go on.
Is it?
Yeah.
But at least you have your internet access back now.
Yeah, I thank God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to hear things are going well, and it was nice to meet you
Nah.
today. Have a wonderful day at
Thank
work.
you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you very much.
See you soon.
Thank you. Take
Bye.
care. Goodbye.
You too. Bye.